What's the meaning of an Islander? An Icelander. An Icelander. An Icelander. An Icelander. An Icelander.
The term Icelander refers to a native or inhabitant of Iceland, a Nordic island country in the North Atlantic known for its dramatic landscapes, hot springs, and glaciers. Icelanders are culturally and linguistically Scandinavian and have a strong sense of national identity. The population of Iceland is relatively small, with just over 360,000 people, and the country has a highly developed economy based on fishing, tourism, and renewable energy. Iceland is also notable for having one of the highest literacy rates and standards of living in the world.